Have a peace of mind. The Horbaach Prostate Support Complex. I'm an all-natural guy, and I feel safe taking this product, considering it gives me a peace of mind, knowing that it actually can help me. I do feel safe taking this dietary supplement daily. I recommend the suggested dose. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.